We gonna dye this wig. What is up, guys? So I want to dye this wig just because it's already giving me like SZA 90s vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair away to the areas that I'm going to highlight and not highlight. By the way, this is like a super old wig that I've had. I want to say probably 2 years now, and I made it. Like, do y'all see this construction? This is bad. That's why I'm like, I really don't care if this wig looks like shit, because I can just buy another one and recut it the same style if I make it look that bad. But knowing me, I'm a perfectionist. I won't screw it up that bad. I definitely need a clip. A little baby clip. And I don't want to make these perfect because that's the purpose of this. So I'm gonna leave this section, this really big section here. And I'm not gonna actually comb every piece out because there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out my sections and then I'll come back. Okay, I've kind of got my hair parted a bit. We'll see how I do this, because I could either do black, blonde, black, blonde, and then blonde here underneath. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this wig off and comb it out now that I've got my sections done, and you'll see this wig on the mannequin. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with this crappy 40 volume developer that I got from the hair store, and my Joico Blonde Life lightener that I picked up from the cosmetology store. This is one of my favorite lighteners if you can get your hands on it. It's really good for natural hair and for weave. So as you can see, I'm starting with my bang area, and I am painting the lightener on in vertical directions. I was about to say horizontal, but I'm parting in horizontal, but I'm painting in vertical sections, so that way it diffuses the harsh line and I don't have one when I wash this lightener out and color it. So once I have finished with that section, I take my aluminum foil and I like to fold it over or lay another piece, and I close in the sides because that still allows a little bit of airflow in, as well as holding all of the heat inside of the hair. So now I'm just moving on to my next section, and I'm working that bleach all the way through the hair. With curly hair, you want to make sure that you are penetrating each strand, because if not, you will have patches in the hair and you don't want that. Okay, so now I will just let you guys watch me finish this process of highlighting my pieces, and then we'll move on to the coloring. Okay, so this is the hair parted and sectioned off and lightened after 30 minutes of sitting and processing. So now I'm about to go in and I did my color. Here I'm just showing you what I used for the first round. It was a 20 volume developer and a color of 8NA, which is a neutral ash. It didn't turn out how I wanted to, which you guys will see now. Okay, so what I'll do is pick up some more products because what the color I used, it clearly wasn't light. My hair wasn't light enough for the demi-permanent because it was an 8 and I was just kind of pushing it, even though I know the hair is like a level 7, 6.5. Well, it was. With the toner, it's probably now level 7, true, to tone. But the highlighted pieces are definitely like a level 6. So I'm gonna go in and redo that and ash everything out. Because I'm not a brassy, warm, blonde girl. Like, your girl likes ashy tones, 100%. Okay, so I did end up using the same bleach again, but I went in with my original Joico 30 volume developer, and this was the outcome the second time I lightened the hair. And it's a lot lighter and a lot less brassy, more yellow tones. I don't know why the camera made it look super orange. But once I laid those colors, as you see here, this is 6SB and 5N. I put those on my darker pieces in the back, and then I'm going to take my 6SB and the demi-permanent from Joico, and I'm just going to put those on the ends just to make sure those are ashy all the way through. Alright, so now I'm taking this 811 from Source Golf Colors, and that's going to be applied to my extremely light pieces that are like a level 8 and 9. Alright, so the color is done. Here I'm just kind of adding my leftover darker color to the back of the head so everything is all even, nice and ashy.
You win.
What's up, guys? Got something on my camera. So this is the finished color. This is what I wanted. I wanted a soft, ashy, blonde, mousy brown color. Like, I didn't want it to be super bright. And I also don't like orange hair, so it turned out exactly how I wanted. I do wish these pieces were a little bit ashier, but it's because I put the neutral on them. So they do have a little bit of more slightly golden pieces, but I can tone that out as the color fades and whatnot. And I'm gonna be putting products and stuff in it, so I really do love it. This is kind of damp. I just put some detangling spray in the hair. It still feels super soft. The integrity of the hair is not damaged at all. The curls are still perfectly intact, as you can see, even with dampened hair. And I'm going to like half dry because this is dry and stretched, because I diffused the cap because it was soaked, and I didn't want to put a wet cap on my head, so I was like, I can always revert the curls and bring the curls back out. I'm going to style the hair on camera for you guys so you can see how I achieve like my super fluffy shaggy look on this wig.
I'm pretty pleased with this hair. It did really well. Like, do y'all see my little mousy brown pieces? I'm obsessed. This was a good one. I did exactly what I wanted, and I'll probably get like some footage of me in like natural lighting so you guys can see that too. But this is the finished look, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial because this was kind of like an experiment for me. I haven't done color in like a really long time, so it's the perfect tone, exactly what I wanted. If you guys recreate this hair color, please tag me. I would love to see it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed and join the family. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.